The bottom-up approach starts from the ground level, building your market estimate from real, tangible data rather than broad assumptions. It's particularly useful when you have access to actual sales figures, customer behavior, or pricing models. For example, imagine you're launching a new fitness app. You start by estimating how many users you can realistically acquire in your first year. Say 10,000 paying subscribers at $10 per month. Multiply that by 12 months to get your first year revenue, then scale based on geographic expansion or additional product features. From this, you derive your SOM, Serviceable Obtainable Market, then SAM, and finally TAM, showing the potential if you replicate the model across markets. The bottom-up approach gives a more realistic, actionable view of opportunity, perfect for planning GTM resources and setting achievable targets.